To all the people of Shillong, this April, the Women's Market will be back again from the 7th to the 10th, Tuesday to Friday at All Saints Hall. Come experience the fun with your friends and family and support the women entrepreneurs from across the state. Browse through the vast, amazing collections, from houseplants of more than 100 varieties to children clothings of all ages from infant to teens. Latest fashion wear for both men as well as women, and also traditional wear of all price ranges. Amazing customizable jewelries as well as anti-tarnished jewelries. Lots of amazing crochet items. Cute, beautiful, and useful accessories available for you. Delicious variety of cuisines will be available to choose from for you. Also, various kids' activities from drawing, painting, and sketching will be held at the fair, where all the participants will receive an exciting prize. So don't miss out the Women's Market. Come and join the fun with your friends and family from the 7th to the 10th of April at All Saints Hall. Entry is completely free,